Hi and welcome to Golden Elite. Today we'll be looking at the beautiful Snow White collection, and you'll see in just a few moments that it definitely does live up to its name. Let's go look at the details.
We've got you covered with sizes ranging from 30 inches to 60 inches, making sure there's a perfect fit for every bathroom out there. The 30, 36, and 48-inch models each come with a 2-drawer and 1-sink configuration, while the more spacious 60-inch model offers 2 sinks and 4 drawers to suit your storage needs. Right out of the box, these pieces are ready to go. No fuss with assembly. You get to the good part faster and easier. Countertops are made of a Corian-like material, featuring a matte-white solid surface and an integrated sink already prepared for your choice of faucet. It's not just about looks. It's also about making things last and keeping them easy to clean. With the Snow White Vanities, you have the flexibility to mount them on the wall for a modern look or add optional legs if you're into a more traditional vibe. Your bathroom, your rules. Soft closing drawers and doors? Yes, please. Thanks to the European-made hardware, everything moves smoothly and quietly, keeping the peace in your personal oasis. Don't miss out on the linen cabinet either. It's the perfect sidekick for storage, making sure you keep things neat without sacrificing an inch of style. Snow White by Golden Elite Deco. It's all about bringing elegance and functionality into your bathroom in a way that feels genuinely refreshing.
If you need to take off the drawers off of this vanity, I'll show you how to do that really quickly. When you open the drawer, you've got a couple screws, so you got one on each side underneath inside the rails. You got to take those off, and then you have to pull on 2 latches, which I will show you in just a second once I get these screws off. So let's go. So once the screws are off, you just need to press on these 2 latches right here, and then you just pull up and towards you, and the drawer comes right out, as simply as that. To place back the drawer, you just put it back on the rails, and then you just slide it all the way in until you hear it lock in place, and that's all you need to do.
Ready to elevate your bathroom game? Swing by Golden Elite Deco online or visit our showroom for the Snow White collection and so much more.